Let's continue here while the cable cars are literally flying above our head here, bringing new people up to Mount Dajti. This must be the panoramic cafe. Let's go have a look if we can have a little juice up there. Look how nice it is up here, guys. It's really well maintained. You can go skating here. You have all the flowers. Oh, we have a little fountain here. Let's go up. Whoa, the rooftop is closed and the lounge bar is also closed. I guess we can go up. Lounge bar closed. Damn, that's the second time. The rotating bar in the center of Tirana was also closed. We're really not lucky here in Tirana. Well, with the lounge bars. Besides that, everything is going great. Wow. I have to put on my sunglasses again. There we go, that's better. Okay, what can we do next? Mini golf? I would do mini golf, but I'm on my own, so it's a bit stupid, right? What else do we have? Guess we'll get a drink in the balcony Dajti. The couple's heart, I didn't see it. I must have passed it. Maybe you have to go down here. Unfortunately, the panoramic lounge is closed, but we still have this balcony Dajti, which should be a bar with a beautiful view. Let's have a look if they have some nice juices. Hey, hello there, you can see me. Oh. It's only eating, or you can have a drink here as well? No drinks here?
No, only.
So they don't allow to just have a drink here. Let's do it differently then. We're gonna grab a drink here at the self-service, and then we're gonna find ourselves a nice spot with a beautiful view. Not in a bar, but just by ourselves. Let's see, what do they have here? I'll take a little straw here. Let's take a big one. Thank you, sir. Okay guys, we have our iced latte. And now we're gonna find ourselves a nice spot with a beautiful view. See, they're cleaning up the place here. The guys picking the bad flowers to keep the place nice and clean. That's good. But they also should have a bar with a nice view. They're all closed. Cheers, guys. The guy's playing mini golf. Let's see how he does. Oh. Hole in one. It's easier in mini golf than in real golf, of course. There's a nice bench here. Let's sit down there. We have found our spot, guys, with our iced latte. So good. And this is the view. It's a little obstructed by the fence, but it's a nice and peaceful view. And we have a lot of people here, but it's still quiet.